Hello, I am Edward. Welcome to Tech Tacto channel. In this tutorial I am gonna show you how to turn anything into a slider or a carousel without using any extra plugin. Also without writing any custom code. We will be creating this whole carousel or slider only by using Elementor page builder. In this slider we can swipe like this. We can navigate them by using this right or left arrows. Also we can use this bottom dots as navigator like this. And I have split this video into two different parts. First I will show you how to design this capsule card and, secondly, how to turn them into a slider. Let's now start with the step number 1, which is to designing this capsule card. So without further, let's go inside Elementor page builder. So to create the capsule card, first I want to take a section. Click on this plus icon, and I'm taking the single column structure. Here I'm giving it a width that's 320. Now with this section temporarily, I just want to add some padding, so go under Advanced tab and bind the padding at the top. I'm adding 100 and at the bottom, I'm adding 100 pixel of padding. Like I said, this is temporary, I will remove this padding later. Now let's select this column, go under its Style tab, because I want to make its background color to F7 it's kinda off-white color. Now from here open the border. I'm adding 180 pixel of border radius. We cannot see the border radius right now because we don't have any content inside of this column, but we can see it shortly. Also go under its Advanced tab, and I'm making the padding to 0. Now within column let's click on this plus icon. Here I'm dragging an intersection of widget, and first of all, I'm deleting one of these inner columns from here. So now this intersection has only one column. Here I'm making this intersection's height to minimum height. Setting is 260 pixel. Then go under Style tab, because I wanna add a background image. So from here background type, let's select an image. I'm selecting this one. Click on Insert Media, and here let's set its position to center, repeat to no repeat, and size I'm making it cover. Alright, let's now scroll down from here, open the border. So you know we want to make it look like a capsule. That's why I am unlinking the border radius only. At the top and right I want to apply the exact body radius that we have applied on the column. So that's 180 pixel at the top and 180 pixel at the right. It's already taking shape. Now let's open the shape divider. Go to this bottom, and here I'm selecting the type to book the last one, this one, and here I'm making its color to that of white color. That's F7. Alright. Now underneath this intersection, I want to add some content. So go to the Rubik's Cube icon first. Here, I'm dragging a heading widget under the intersection here. And the text I wanted to say Indonesia. Let's make the alignment to centered. Now Quandary Style tab. From here, I just want to do one single thing. That's from typography. I want to set its style to normal, and there is a reason for that. Just stick with me, you can understand that later. Alright, now go under Advanced tab. I just want to add some margin top, so unlink it at the top. I'm adding 20 pixel of margin. Now underneath this heading, here adding some text, so I'm dragging text editor widget here. Let's now make its alignment to centered, and similarly like the heading widget, I also want to make its typography, I mean the style, to normal, and we can make its size to 15 pixel end. Then if you want you can add some spacing. So I'm going under Advanced tab. From here I link the margin only at the bottom. I'm adding -20 pixel end. Let's unlink the padding on the left and right. I'm adding 20 pixel of padding. Now, underneath this paragraph I want to add a button widget. So click on the Rubik's Cube icon. From here, I'm dragging the button widget here. Let's make the alignment to centered. Go under Style tab. Similar like this heading and paragraph, I'm selecting the typography here, and let's set the style to normal. Then, from here I'm making its color to black color. And here border radius I'm adding 20 pixel. Now go under Advanced tab only at the bottom. I want to add some margin, so unlink the margin at the bottom. I'm adding 40 pixels. So we have made the capsule. Next part, that's turning this capsule card to a carousel or slider. So the main thing, I want to remove the temporary padding from the main section. So let's select the section. From under its Advanced tab, I'm removing this 100 pixel padding. Also let's remove it from here, and as we have removed the padding from top, you see now it's difficult to grab the main section and the inner section, because they have placed now at the same place. So we can take the help of the navigator. Just right click here and open the navigator, and now just make sure you have selected this main section, not this inner section. Okay, so I'm selecting the main section, this one. Right click here, and then click on Save as Template. I want to name it Country Card, then 001. Click on Save, so it's now saved under my templates. Now close it. Here I want to create our second card, so this time instead of Indonesia, I'm writing here Africa, and I want to also change this image, and this is the background image of the inner section. From here let's select the inner section. I'm changing the background image with another image. I'm selecting this one. Click on Insert Media, and again make sure you have selected the main section from the navigator. Now right click here, click on Save as Template, and this template I'm saving it as Country Card 002. Again save it, close the pop-up. Then I'm preparing the content for the third card. Introduce Africa. I want to write here silent. Now select the inner section, change this background image. I'm selecting this one. Select it again, make sure you have selected the main section from the navigator. Right click here and click on Save as Template. I'm naming it Country Card 003. Let's save it, then close it. Let's create our fourth card. Here instead of Thailand I wanted to say Brazil. Select the inner section because I want to change its background image as well. So I'm selecting this image and insert it again. Make sure you have selected the main section. Right click here, click on Save as Template, and I'm naming it Country Card 004. Now click on Save. Alright, let's now close it. Also I'm closing the navigator now. If you wonder where these templates are saved, you can just go back to your WordPress dashboard. So from here I'm clicking on this hamburger icon. Here you see Exit to Dashboard. I'm opening the dashboard from a new tab. So from your WordPress dashboard on the left, you see your templates under the Elementor. From there click on Saved Templates. Here you see all the templates that we have saved. They are sitting here inside the Country Card 001, 002, 003, 004. All these are here. Alright, now go back to Elementor Page Builder. And this time we no longer need this capsule card here, so let's delete it. Also delete the main section. So basically we are starting from scratch, as we have saved all the templates on our Elementor saved templates. Alright, so to take a new section let's click on this plus icon. I'm taking the single column structure. This time make its height to minimum height, and I'm setting it 100 VH. Then go under Style tab, because I want to use a gradient color. So from here I'm selecting the gradient. The first gradient color I'm selecting #734FF2, and let's keep this reddish second color. Then go to the Rubik's Cube icon, and here I'm searching for Testimonial Carousel. So here Testimonial Carousel, this one. Now just drag this Testimonial Carousel widget inside of this column here. By the way, this widget is only available on Elementor Pro. I will put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through my affiliate link, that will help me have an extra pay to continue this YouTube channel and make more tutorial video like this. Alright, so here with this Testimonial Carousel widget, the first settings I wanna do here, it says slides per view. I'm making it to 3. And by default there are 3 slides or 3 items. So let's open the item 1 from here. I wanna delete this image first. Click on this delete icon. Also I'm removing this name and title from here. So let's remove it. Also remove the title. And here instead of this content first, let's remove this text content. I wanna use the shortcode of that capsule card. So just go back to your WordPress dashboard from under your saved templates. For the first one I'm using the Country Curve 001 here. On the right side this is its shortcode. Just copy this shortcode from here, go inside Elementor, and paste the shortcode inside of this content field. So far we cannot see anything inside of this carousel. You see here we can see only this plain text shortcode, but notice for now let's just minimize this item 1, and I wanna delete this item 2 and 3. So click on this X, also click on this X. and here open the item 1. Here we have inserted the shortcode within the content, we have deleted the image, we have removed the name and title from here, so now we can just copy this item 1. I'm copying it 1 2 3. Actually I have copied it 4 times. The first one has the content is basically the shortcode for country card 001. Now let's minimize the item 1, open the item 2 here. Instead of this one, let's remove it, go inside save templates, copy the shortcode for country card 002. This one copied, go inside Elementor, paste the shortcode here. Similarly like this, open the item 3, remove the shortcode from here, go to save templates. I'm copying the shortcode for country card 003. Go inside Elementor and paste it. Let's do the same with the fourth one, so remove it, go to saved templates. Here I'm copying the country card 004 shortcode from here. Go inside Elementor and paste the shortcode inside the content field. Alright, now we have inserted 4 slides or 4 items here, but in the similar way you can add as many as slides, or as many as items you want, and you may notice we cannot see any card here, within the Elementor of Page Builder. Actually within the Elementor Page Builder we cannot see the cards. To see it we need to preview it from the real browser, so for now, let's click on this green update button to save our work and to preview the real web page. Click on this eyeball icon. Here we go, we can see all the capsule card. Here we can swipe them like this. We can use the arrows from right, also from the left, and here these bottom dots are also working perfectly, but I think there are some settings that's coming from the default carousel settings, so to remove them just go inside Elementor Page Builder, from the testimonial carousel widget, go under Style tab here. Let's keep everything same, just under the slides, I'm making the padding to 0. And let's open the content here, I'm making the gap to 0, and if you want to adjust these arrows, I mean the right and left arrow, also if you want to control this dots navigation, then go under Content tab. From here scroll down, open the additional options like here. You can enable or disable the arrows from here. As I have disabled it we cannot see the left and right arrows, but I want them back, so I'm turning on the arrows. Similarly you can turn on the pagination from here, or if you want you can turn off it, but I want to keep the dots, and to style it go under Style tab, scroll down, open the navigation. Let's say if you want to increase the size of the left and right arrow you can increase the size from here, so instead of 20 I'm making it 30. Then if you want you can change the color of the arrows like here, I'm making its color to white. Similarly, if you want you can change the size of these dots from here like this, I'm keeping it 8, and also, if you want you can change the color from here, but I like the way it is. Then click on this update button to save your work, and here we can see our beautiful carousel, with all the swipe option, the arrows and the navigation dots. And now, let's see if you want to change any image, or any title from inside this carousel, then you cannot do that from inside the slider. You need to go back to your saved templates. For example, if you want to change something inside of this country card 003, just click here on Edit with Elementor. I'm opening it from a new tab, so here we can only see the templates here. Let's say here instead of Thailand, I wanted to say Italy. Also I want to change this image, so click here, or we can always navigate through the navigator from here, so make sure you have selected the intersection. From under its Style tab, let's change this image. I'm changing it with this one. Click on Insert Media. Now click on this green update button. If we now go to the live preview page and let's refresh the page. Now here instead of Thailand we can see the Italy. Cool. And one last thing, of course, we should check how it's looking on the tablet and mobile device. To check its responsiveness, if we now go inside Elementor Page Builder, as you see, we cannot see anything from inside Elementor Page Builder, so actually we cannot check its responsiveness from inside Elementor Page Builder. But if we go to the front end of the page, I mean the final preview page, we can check its responsiveness by shrinking our browser. So right now this is the desktop view. If we now minimize or shrink our browser at this state, this is basically the tablet view. But on the tablet view, I don't want only one card here on the tablet device, I want to display 2 cards, and on the mobile device, 1 card is okay. So to make that change, let's go to the normal width of the browser, and go back to Elementor Page Builder. Make sure you have selected that testimonial carousel, go under its Content tab, and here if you have a look, slides per view we have set it to 3, but it's for desktop. Now click on this icon, and go to the tablet device. For the tablet device, Here I'm selecting 2 cards, and from here, let's select the mobile icon. On the mobile I'm selecting 1. So let's click on this green update button to save this change, and go to our live preview page. Alright, if we now start shrinking our browser to the tablet width. Here you see we can see 2 cards here, and if we shrink it more to the mobile width, you see we can see only 1 card. And everything is working perfectly. The arrows, the navigation dots, everything is working perfectly. Alright, I hope you have learned something new today. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification. See you in the next video.